Hello everyone, Rod Schrader here.
Hi there, I'm Jeff. We wanted to reach out to you together to let you know what the company is doing during these tough times. I'm speaking to you from the Milwaukee office right now.
And I'm speaking to you from our Chicago office. Depending on where you are in the world, local regulations may be impacting business. While many of you are working remotely at this time, I want you to know that the production, sales, service, and maintenance of our equipment is continuing. In the U.S., we've been deemed as an essential infrastructure or life-sustaining business under the various state and local stay-at-home orders. And we are coordinating with our global regional managers as such regulations are enacted around the world.
Wherever you're working, we want to thank you for the important part you play in continuing to sustain our business.
Last week, we distributed global guidelines to leaders as a framework for managing business continuity. Around the world, we are empowering leaders in each of our sites to make quick decisions based on the local conditions, governmental policies, and in accordance with our global guidelines.
As we all work to continue providing essential products and services that our communities need, your safety and well-being and the safety of all our stakeholders is extremely important to us. We know that without minerals and metals, our power and utility infrastructure and many of the life-saving medical devices and supplies that health providers and patients rely on daily would cease to be available.
We are also working hard to reduce the overall financial impact of this situation to the extent that we can. Jeff and I and the other senior leaders are talking daily to assess the situation as it unfolds and to make quick decisions to support you and the business.
During this time, if you are healthy and able to work, either from home or the work site, we are counting on you to do your part with the integrity embodied in the Komatsu way, while practicing appropriate precautions, of course. The governments and leading global health organizations are recommending that people work from home if they can.
We also know that many of our team members are working in warehouses, service centers, and manufacturing facilities where work cannot be performed from home. In those cases, we are reducing potential contact by segregating shifts, rotating work schedules, and encouraging hygiene and social distancing practices to keep our business going.
Our global guidelines call for an immediate suspension of operations in any building where a person is experiencing strong symptoms or confirmed to have COVID-19. That will give us the opportunity to investigate the situation and decide what further steps to take.
We are also putting emergency policies in place to help individuals who cannot work remotely and are unable to do their job due to the COVID-19 issues.
Many of the measures we are implementing around the globe are based on the best practices used by our Chinese facilities during the outbreak there earlier this year. Those facilities are now back up and running.
We don't know yet how long this situation will last or what the impacts will be, but we're working to be nimble. Overall, Komatsu is a strong company with nearly 100 years of success. We've found ways to thrive in difficult situations before, and we plan to continue.
We understand this is an uncertain and difficult time for everyone. We appreciate your flexibility and willingness to contribute to the company, to your community, and of course, foremost, taking care of your family.
I know that many of you may be feeling stressed by our circumstances. Stress can often result in thoughtlessness or unkind words. I ask you to practice empathy and compassion with your teammates and your colleagues. Let's all be the best, most professional version of ourselves. We will get through this together.
We will continue to communicate with you directly and through your managers. In addition, we are working to schedule the next global quarterly employees meeting in a way that can accommodate our remote or rotating work situations while still providing you with an update on the business.
Please continue following the guidance of your business leaders, local government officials, and leading experts to slow the spread of this virus.
So stay safe and healthy, and thanks for everything you're doing. Bye for now.
Thank you, everyone.